Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and if you haven't been following this series about this TV, this is the third part. We're going to continue with settings and other features and the how-tos of the Siragon Smart TV model 32DA5000. If you haven't seen the first or second video, below is a link so you can take a look. Now without further ado, let's get started.
Pop it, D-man!
We're going to start by setting up Google TV for the first time. In part 2, we showed how to basic setup, which is a bit different. Before you start anything, before you start configuring or setting up, just make sure that you have 1. Wi-Fi internet connection, and 2. A Google account. Connect to Wi-Fi and wait. You'll be asked to sign in using your Gmail, not Hotmail or any email, but Gmail. Actually, I do recommend Gmail. To finish setting up, follow the on-screen instruction. First option you see on the screen is Google Assistant. Select Continue. Then you'll be prompted to get a full-time experience. You can either turn on, accept, or no thanks, reject. We are gonna accept. Choose your country of origin. Choose your signal type, maybe cable and antenna only, or cable only. If you're connected using a cable or antenna, it's a good idea to set up, but if not, just skip. And that's all. Your TV starts setting up your Google TV. The screen display has changed now, looks better, but just in case by any chance you can't set up Google TV at first, make sure you update system first before trying again. Way up here are some most used applications. We have Home. You can search for any apps and download them in Apps, and finally Library. To install or download any application from Home, select the app option, but you can also simply search for the app among the different pre-installed categories from on top here. Click on it. You still have to complete to download. Another option is to go directly to search and write the name of the app you want to install. Or you can scroll down the apps option and look for the app or an app you want. An example, let's look for the Amazon app.
Results for Amazon.
We have terms of agreement, which we accept. Then we're given 2 options to either open or uninstall. We select open because the app was already pre-installed. But if that were not the case, here you will see install. And if you want to uninstall, just click on uninstall. To uninstall an app, identify and select the app without opening it. Example, we are going to uninstall the Apple TV app. Press and hold the OK button. You will have 3 options: move, open, and see details. Select the option see more details. You'll have 2 options: open or uninstall. Choose uninstall the app. You can access apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube Music directly from the remote control. You might have been asking about how to access or use your USB flash drives. Here, what you want to do is go to the Media Player app. You can find it in Home and select. You will see at the top left there are 4 options to choose from. Select between All, Photo, Audio, Video, and Internal Memory. Before playing files located on the local disk, insert the USB mass storage device into the USB interface. Open the Media Player application. It is already open in this case. The TV detects the USB drive and you'll be shown 2 options: internal memory and external memory, or let's just say USB flash drive. Select the external memory to access the contents of the USB drive. Some things you want to keep in mind when using multimedia: the system supports standard USB 1.1 and USB 2.0 devices, such as USB mass storage devices and external hard drives. While playing, press the OK button to display the toolbar. Select the desired menu option and press OK to activate. To quick playback, you can press the back button. Make sure not to remove the USB device during playback, otherwise the system or device may have problems. Preferably, you go back, press the back button, press the same button again, and the system will ask if you want to leave and then confirm. You'll be taken to the home page. Go to the settings from here, search for USB, select it, and here you'll see the option to remove the drive or flash drive. With the Google Assistant already installed on your device, you can ask questions and complete tasks on your Android TV. The first thing to do is activate it. On Android TV, Assistant is available in German, Korean, Spanish, French, Indonesian, English, Italian, Japanese, and Portuguese. If you have a doubt about how to set up the Assistant, no need to worry, because when you set up your TV as Google TV, the entire process has already been done. However, if by any chance there is some problem, do the following. Before starting to use Assistant, make sure your TV is set up. Check for available updates. On your Android TV remote, press the Assistant button or the microphone button. An introduction will appear on the TV screen. Follow the steps to complete the setup. To talk to the Assistant on your Android TV remote, press the Assistant button or microphone button, then ask a question. To make sure Assistant can hear you, speak close to the remote's microphone. Open YouTube. Abre Amazon.
Ok, abriendo Prime Video.
Abre Netflix.
Ok, abriendo Netflix.
On some devices, you don't need to use the remote control. Just say, OK Google, to activate Assistant. If you want to do more with Assistant on Android TV, do the following. Ask the Assistant, what can you do? On your phone, you can also download the Assistant app. You can finish setting up your Google TV with the Google Home app. To get started, download and open the Google Home app on your phone. Agree to the terms. Make sure you're connected to the internet and are signed in to your Google account. Select Connect to the TV from your cell phone and it will start searching for your device. When prompted in the app, scan the QR code and enter the code. Accept the terms and conditions. Again, the TV asks you to confirm your signal type. Choose the type. Choose the option that suits you. The TV starts installing the apps, last details, and that's it. It is important that you know that all the special things that can be done with this TV requires you to be connected. And while there are many smart TV options in the market, there are several reasons why you should consider getting these Siragon Smart TV. First, as we already mentioned, they offer excellent value for money, meaning you will get a quality television at a very reasonable price. Another advantage is that the brand offers excellent after-sales service, which means that if you have any problem with your television, you can count on Siragon support and technical assistance to resolve it quickly and efficiently. And lastly, before making a purchasing decision, make sure to choose the model that best suits your need and budget, taking into account factors such as screen size, screen resolution, additional features, and your budget. This last is very important. Two more things to add. If you're not a tech geek, I wouldn't recommend you to get a smart TV because you're just not going to use it. Preferably, you buy a normal TV. Also, do not expect to surf the internet fluently or connect to social networks. For that, it'd be better you get a smartphone or tablet. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on this smart TV Siragon model 32DA5000. I appreciate your time watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them below. Also, please let me know what you think about the TV in the comment section, or if you already have some experience you might want to share. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.